What's up, everybody? Mark the Shark here. I want to make a quick video on how to stake your DAO tokens on Paideia. So we can see here we're on app.paideia.im. From here, we will go to our Sigmanaut's mining DAO. We do need to make sure we have the token. So you can see here we have the Sigmanaut's mining DAO, the official token, DAO token of the Sigmanaut's mining group. You utilize on Paideia. So if you don't have a token and you are one of our miners, please reach out to me. I'll get that sent over to you right away. From here, we'll go to the Sigmanaut's mining DAO. You can see here we got some discussions. We got logo creation, the miner ID minting fee, so how much that should be. We do have a current proposal that ends in about almost a little less than 2 days. Essentially just changes the treasury from the Sigmanaut's treasury to this treasury, and we can go, eventually you'll be able to see that, I believe here. So obviously we don't have any funds, but moving forward, this is where that will be. So we can just go back to the dashboard. Again, we have one Sigmanaut token. That's awesome. From here, we'll just navigate to staking. We're going to go to, so it looks like we have 5 stakers. Actually, where does it show? We have 11 members, so that's cool, that are active, I suppose, within this. They don't necessarily have to be a token holder, I don't think. Someone can correct me in the comments. Let's see. So from here, we go back to staking. We're going to go to manage stake. So here's the address. I'm going to stake 1 SIG token and click stake. All right, and then we can see this is how much ERG is leaving. This is how much Paideia is going to be used to stake. And so when I send you that DAO token, I'm going to send you 10 Paideia, beta Paideia. So you can create proposals, stake your tokens, etc. So I'm going to sign this. Let's see, what's my password? Wait, that's not it. Right, wrong password. There we go. Awesome. So now we'll wait some time for that to take place. And so that's essentially what we need to do to stake. It'll take some time, I suppose, for the transaction to facilitate. So let's see. So I will pause and we'll come back. So actually, it looks like the last one didn't go through. So I submitted again. Now we have that transaction that just showed up. So now we'll wait. Here we go. All right, we're back. So we can see here, I was sent a Sigmanaut mining DAO token. We then spent that token, and then now we receive the Sigmanaut mining DAO stake key. We can check our wallet just to double check. And then there she is. Sigmanaut's mining DAO stake token powered by Paideia. Fantastic. So now we'll come back to Paideia. We'll just refresh this. And so we have 1 token, 6 tokens staked. All right, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Then from there, we can go over to our proposals. Since I've already voted on this, I'm not going to vote it on again, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. So again, we want to read the proposal content. Sometimes there's actions within the proposal. So like, for example, if we wanted to pay somebody, that proposal then would have the person we are going to pay doing whatever, their address. So then once that is passed, it takes whatever it is from the treasury and then sends it into their wallet. So from here, we want to vote. We can do propose, decline. We can vote now. And then we'll be prompted, right? So this is how much ERG's leaving, Paideia, and then the DAO stake key. And so kind of important to note here, and then we can just sign this. So what happens in the back end, from my understanding, is that we go ahead and sign this. We essentially spend our DAO token stake key. Then the vote gets a +1 or -1 in terms of approval or decline. And then after some time, you get your DAO token sent back to you. And so that's how it works. But your Paideia will get spent. Eventually, once Paideia is out of the beta phase, this will actually just be the token Paideia. So just more of an FYI there. And then once it's approved or just declined, we can then come back here and then we'll either see, yes, more of yeses, right, or a no. Right now, we need 59% support to pass the vote, and then that's essentially it. And then quickly, I can go over to our dashboard. So this is our discussion for the mining fee. This will be turned into a proposal. So in order to show you how to do that, we can go to, let's see, proposals. We can do create new, either proposal or discussion. I'm going to say proposal, be like test, right? I'm not going to actually fill this out. And then from here, we can actually link mining fee. So now I can do yes or a no. I'll just fill this out real quick. Mint fee proposal. I can spell, put a category. So this would be, let's see, probably some type of governance, since we're going to be voting on, well, maybe finance. I don't know. Whatever you think, I suppose. An action. So again, so we can update the DAO config. So this, again, we could be voting on specific types of things within the DAO config. So maybe instead of 59% yeses, we could do like 30%. Obviously, that would make too much sense. We could do send funds. So again, like the example I said before. And then voting duration. Since we're all pretty busy for the most part, 7 days is probably the best to facilitate that. But of course, like say we all have some type of meeting and generally most of our members are there, we could also turn this within hours, so we can have, have some type of emergency meeting or emergency vote if we wanted, right? And then we can just write our content here. Content goes here, and then we can publish. Of course, I'm not going to actually publish this. And then, of course, you're going to want to have some type of image. And so that's Paideia. That's our Sigmanauts mining DAO. That's how you stake it. That's how you vote. Again, if you are our miner, DM me in Telegram your address, and I'll be sure to get you a DAO token as well as some Paideia, so you can create your own proposals, create things like that. Add to our discussion. So again, here's some of our logo discussions. So we need an official DAO logo. Grayman, appreciate you here. We got a comment. I did put some mock-ups within our Telegram group. So yeah, that's it. I'm signing off. Make sure you stake your DAO tokens, please. That'd be great. Thanks, guys.